सो हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल दैट इज़ न्यू हाउ विद सुगु। आई होप आप सब लोगों का न्यू ईयर बहुत अच्छे से गया होगा। सो दिस इज़ माय फर्स्ट हॉल फॉर द न्यू ईयर। येस, इट मिक्स ऑफ स्किन केयर एज वेल एज ऑफ मेकअप। सो येस, आई हैव शॉप्ड फर्स्ट टाइम फ्रॉम द purple.com। नायका से मैंने काफ़ी बार शॉपिंग की पर पर्पल से कभी नहीं की थी। सो दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट एवर हॉल फॉर purple.com एंड येस, वी बॉट huge, you can say, oh god, this is huge one. Yeah, I bought so many things from purple.com. I think so it is like quite inexpensive. I have seen many purple.com haul but never got a chance to buy anything from that. But yes, this time there was a huge sale going on. अभी भी वहाँ पे सेल है एंड आई थिंक सो purple.com पे आपको बहुत ही अफोर्डेबल प्रोडक्ट्स मिल जाते हैं इन अ वेरी डिफरेंट range. So guys, let's begin the haul. But before that, as usual, what you have to do, if you're watching this face for the first time, so guys, please subscribe to the channel. Yes, subscribe button बिल्कुल इस वीडियो के नीचे होगा और उस सब्सक्राइब बटन के साथ ही एक बेल आइकन होगा. Yes, there will be a bell icon. जब आप उसको क्लिक कर दोगे तो आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाएंगे मैं जब भी न्यू वीडियोस के साथ आऊंगी. So guys, without further ado, let's get started. सो गाइस, लेट्स बिगिन विद इट. यू विल गेट द कंप्लीट डिटेल. जब भी आप ऑर्डर करोगे वो आपको एक कंप्लीट डिटेल भेजेंगे ताकि आप उसको टैली कर सकते हो अपने ऑर्डर के साथ कि कोई चीज़ मिसिंग तो नहीं है. तो वी गॉट टोटल 34 आइटम्स. येस, 34. आई एम क्रेजी, आई नो, बट वी गॉट 34 आइटम्स. Let's begin with the sheet mask. You know I love face masking. I literally love face masking. आप मेरा Instagram चेक कर सकते हो. There are tons of videos loaded with it. So सबसे पहले मैंने बाय किया face mask sheet. Yes, winters में they are amazing. They have recently launched these new variants of face mask sheet and I haven't tried any of them yet. Good Vibes का मैंने कोई भी अभी तक प्रोडक्ट नहीं ट्राई किया but they are super affordable guys. They are super duper affordable. So we have this in blackberry. And then we have this in chamomile. I hope I am saying it properly. Then we have this oatmeal. I am really excited to use this one. Then we have this in white tree and this we have this in fig one. You can clearly see the packaging is very decent packaging as a normal sheet mask and all that. And all this costs to me rupees. I think so there was some offer going on. जो भी offer होगा मैं यहाँ पे mention कर दूँगी. And the cost for ₹1 is 99. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 variants of face mask sheet. Then I bought couple of body lotions. Yes, in winter I need ample of body lotion. My skin is super dry. First and the foremost is this shea butter. Shea butter is amazing in winters, you know guys. So I bought this one. It comes in a 120 ml bottle. No paraben, no sulfate, so that is good one. Another one is this Mulethi one, again a 120 ml bottle. So I think so this is good. This is basically for the brightening purposes. And then we do have this aloe vera one. It is for basically soothing. I bought this for basically to use after my shaving and all that. I do shave my legs and my arms, so I think so this is amazing. Normally I use aloe vera gel, but I think so in winters there should be some extra care, so this is amazing for that purpose. So I bought this one and the cost for all these three were around, just let me check, 155, which is a steal deal. I got this on offer, let me tell you. Yeah, I got this on offer. I got this for ₹101, which is a great deal guys. Body lotion 120 ml, no paraben, no sulfate, 101 rupees में और आपको क्या चाहिए. So I think so this is a must try product from my side. Okay, so oh god, we have huge amount of, yes, I bought so many scrubs, I bought so many masks, so I'm just going to open it. Guys, don't find me crazy. I really love face mask and scrubs. I don't know, I love them. Okay. Let me sort face mask and face scrub separately. I will be back.
A few moments later.
I'm going to share with you all the scrubs that I bought. I bought 5 scrubs and you can't imagine I got in a huge discount guys. The first one is this Rose Skin Brightening and Tightening Scrub. I bought this for my mom because उनकी जो ये eyes के side की skin और यहाँ से काफ़ी लूज हो गई है. I wanted her to try it and इसकी जो MRP है that is 195, but can you imagine I got this for ₹104. Can you imagine a huge discount? And the shelf life for this is 2 years, so that is a great thing. The tub for oil mask and scrub and cream is 50 grams, so I think so this is a good 105 में अगर आपको कोई नया प्रोडक्ट ट्राई करने को मिलता तो it is a good deal. And second we do have this avocado one. I have seen so many DIYs with the ingredients, so I wanted to try it. I haven't ever tried any kind of avocado mask, scrub or any cream, so I really want to try it. And I have seen many good reviews for it. So 104 May, I think so this is a good deal. Third one, we do have this orange one. This is basically for rejuvenating the skin. We all know that orange is very good ingredient when it comes to skincare and all that. So this is the main reason I bought this, and I love trying different kind of mask, different kind of scrub. I love it. Fourth one, we do have this pomegranate. I have tried its face mask sheet and I really liked it. So that was the main reason why I bought it, and it is very good for winters, guys. It is very, I have a super dry skin from my T-zone in winters. Otherwise I have a oily skin. I don't know what my skin plays, but in winters I have a super dry skin around my nose, around my this area. So this is the main reason I bought this one. So it is very good to remove the dead skin in a gentle way. This one was the most, you can say, reviewed and the most suggested among all. Havana mango scrub. I haven't tried such kind of different scrub, so I'm really excited to try this one. 104 में अगर आपको इतनी वैरायटी ट्राई करने को मिलता है, why not to buy it? So let's begin with the mask की जो कॉस्ट है वो फेस स्क्रब से थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा है. Like the first mask is the avocado mask. The reason behind, you know that I haven't tried it and I wanted to try it. This was the main reason. Secondly, इनके सभी products paraben sulfate free है, so that is a good thing and good vibes की. I have seen so many bloggers and so many YouTubers hyping about such products. So I really wanted to try their products out. इसकी जो MRP है, let me tell you, इसकी MRP 235, but no guys, I got it for just rupees 149. See the huge difference, guys. 149 में सिर्फ हमें प्रोडक्ट मिलता, तो I think so this is a steal deal. Another one I got, this is lime and basil. Lime and basil both are really good for skin brightening and skin soothing, so this is again a great deal. Face mask is, like, you can say, a most talked one. It is the wine face mask, and we all know that wine is so good for skin. Like, I can't intake it on daily basis, but I can apply it now. And then the last but not the least, lotus and sage one. This is basically for rejuvenating the skin, so I really like the ingredient, so I thought to buy it. It is for rupees 146 again, guys. So purple.com have a very amazing offers going on. You must check their website. They have almost, you can say, 40 to 50% rate reduction on their products. So I think so you should try it. अगर आपको different ingredients try करने for your face, always read the reviews, guys. अगर आपको लगता है कि ये reviews ठीक है, average rate पे बहुत अच्छी है, go and try the product. And I must say कि I am really impressed with the packaging and the delivery. Delivery बहुत ही जल्दी थी. I got all this product delivered within 2 days. There were 34 total products and I got this product delivered in 2 days. That was amazing. Then I bought few face creams. Obviously it is winter, face creams जितनी हो उतनी कम है. I got these 3 face creams. All contains 50 gram of product and सबकी जो MRP है that is around 225 and I got for rupees 146. One is this avocado one. You know why I bought it. I love this ingredient, guys. Second one is tea tree. Tea tree is amazing for skin healing purposes, so this is a must buy product. And then is this green tea. Green tea, you all know, comes with amazing benefits. These are the face cream that I bought. I am going to upload each and every product review on my Instagram. Please follow me on Instagram now. So guys, these were all the product of Good Vibes, I think so. Yeah, these were all the product of Good Vibe. Now I'm going to share with you other products. These are from the Alps Goodness. You must be knowing about this one. And these are the moisturizing cream. One is the coconut one and another one is the saffron. I have used the coconut one. Actually I just wanted to see and I was very excited. See, इसकी जो फ्रेगनेंस है मैं बताऊँ, जैसे निविया की क्रीम नहीं होती, इट्स सेम लाइक दैट. इसका स्ट्रक्चर भी सेम है, इसकी यू कैन से कि मॉइस्चराइजेशन भी सेम है. इट इज़ गुड. आई हैव यूज्ड इट माई हैंड्स and on my arms. It is really good one. I will tell you its cost. These both cost for rupees 64 only. So it is a great deal. You can go. It is very handy. आप अपने पर्स में भी डाल सकते हो. यहाँ पे पैराबेन फ्री वगैरह तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं लिखा हुआ, but I will check and mention. So guys, these were all the face pack, face mask, moisturizing cream and all that. I have bought few other powder pack also. I really like the powder pack because they can not only be used on your face but can also used on your hairs. You can also use this. It depends upon you how you DIY them. I bought these from the Vyam Ayurveda and they were very affordable bottle, guys. The MRP is rupees 160, but I got at rupees 140. Yeah, the first one is the beetroot. All know that it is amazing for skin as well as for hair, so I bought this one. Another we bought, this is haldi and chandan. Haldi and chandan, you all know that it is really good. I'm going to show you the packaging. It comes in this kind of container. Product quantity is 40 gram, and the, oh wow, it comes with the wooden spoon. That is amazing. It comes in a proper packaging thing. That is good, guys. I really like the packaging. I must say, I love products with a good packaging. Another one I bought is this Roop Saundarya Deep Cleansing Pack. It contains rose clay powder and rose petal powder. So I think so this is going to be my favorite one. The cost for this was rupees 225. I got at rupees 180. That was a good one. Another one we do have, this is Amba Haldi. You must have been known about this Amba Haldi. ये पंसारी के पास ही मिलती है mostly. I have been listening this from my childhood. Nani and my mom used to give me this, and this is really good, guys. I can't say much about this product, but this is the one product that you all must have. Okay, and the cost for this was rupees 175 and I got for rupees 130. So this is really great. So these were the few skincare products. Now I'm going to share with you my other favorite category. Yeah, that is makeup. I am recently into makeup. I don't know, I'm learning. I'm just learning makeup. ठीक है, मुझे अभी इतना नहीं आता, but I'm learning. First I bought thing that I like most, that I can't go without. Like I can't step out my house without it. That is kajal. Yes, I really like kajal. One I have applied. It is a dark green color kajal. It comes in this form. You can clearly see. I have used it. I really liked it. You get this much of quantity. It is really amazing, guys. It comes in this form. The product quantity is 0.2 gram. It comes in this cardboard packaging. The MRP for this is rupees 249, but I got for rupees 199. That was amazing. They do have variety of colors, but I bought 3 of them, white, black and green. I'm just going to swatch this one and show you. This one is amazing. I have applied the green one and I'm really liking it. इसकी pigmentation बहुत अच्छी है. Green in color basically. This is in dark green in color. Camera justice नहीं कर रहा, but इसकी pigmentation, guys, बहुत अच्छी है. I have just applied it on my eyes and I have loved it. ये सिर्फ one stroke. If you can't imagine, you can clearly see it is just one stroke. I have applied as an eyeliner, as a kajal. I really like it. 199 का. It is superb. It is from their brand only. Their own kajal. ओके वाइट की पैकेजिंग भी ब्लैक में ही आती है. यू हैव टू जस्ट ओपन द लिड एंड ओनली आइडेंटिफाई. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद दिस परचेज. इसकी पिगमेंटेशन बहुत अच्छी है. इट इज़ वाटर प्रूफ. बिल्कुल स्मज नहीं हो रहा. आई एम जस्ट रबिंग इट हार्ड. आई एम रबिंग इट वेरी हार्ड. बिल्कुल स्मज नहीं हो रहा है. इट ग्रीन वन डू हैव दिस शिमरी काइंड ऑफ टेक्सचर. आई जस्ट लव इट. एंड द नेक्स्ट बाय इन द मेकअप categories, again my favorite, these are this lipstick. I have been hearing much about this NY brand and this NY lipstick. Okay, I have bought 1 2 3 4 5 shades, and yes, these are the matte lipstick with argan oil in it. Okay, it comes in a beautiful packaging. I really like the packaging. The packaging is very, you can say, a classy one. I love the packaging. It comes in this amazing golden kind of packaging. Shades are really amazing, guys. I'm just going to give you a swatch of it. You can clearly see it is like very good shade. Like as per mentioned in the packaging, it contained the argan oil. Yes, it is very easy to apply. It is very smooth. In a one slide you can have a very good pigmentation. So I think the presence of argan oil make the application very smooth. So this one I have the shade number 18, that is closer. And you get 4.5 gram of product, and the MRP for this is rupees 175, but I got at rupees 114. That was a steal deal. Another one is amazing. I really like this one color. This is the stage wear color. You can clearly see it is amazing. I really like the packaging. I'm going to give you a swatch for this. Just see how beautiful the color is. I really like it. Another shade is 19 Rehearsal Looks. It is very good brownish nude color that I really like. Like this one and this shade do match, but this one is a bit darker one. These are my daily to go shades. Another one is shade 16 Sombre. Let me remove this off. I don't know how people do so many swatches in one hand. I think so my hand is small. I can't do or I'm doing a big swatches. Okay, this is also good shade. This is like a red tone. This is in a red tone. Let me show you. It is again a good red color. So we're left with one last one, 17 lit. See, this one and this do matches, but अगर हम कैमरे के बिना देखेंगे, this one is bit dark than this. I really like it. They do have a bit of shiny to it. Otherwise, I think so all other are matte. I really like all the shades of lipstick. So guys, this was my purple haul. I hope you like this video. अगर आपको कोई भी प्रोडक्ट इसमें बाय करना है, इन सब की डिटेल डिस्क्रिप्शन में होगी. You can go and buy over there. बहुत अफोर्डेबल प्राइस पे आपको काफ़ी डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स मिल जाते हैं. गाइज डू चेक purple.com. सभी डिटेल्स डिस्क्रिप्शन में होगी. एंड आई होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो. इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, guys, do subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon which will be just next to the subscribe button, ताकि आपको notification मिल जाए जब भी कोई न्यू वीडियो के साथ आऊँ. Also guys, do follow me on Instagram. I do give review over there in post and videos or in stories. जो भी मैं इन products को जब भी मैं use करूँगी, you can check on my stories on my Instagram. I'm going to review each and every product over there, and also I'm going to come up with a review of face mask and face scrub soon on YouTube channel as well. So guys, stay tuned with my channel by subscribing to my channel and also pressing the bell icon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.